Hello everyone and welcome to the second of a series of videos called Empathy Learning. In this series we will try to look for those links between these two beautiful languages to uncover that they are not that different after all. First lesson was an overview that tackled some verb issues, gender, number, etc. This lesson we're going to look for something quite different. When we learn a new language, the road is always pretty well documented. There is grammar, listening, speaking, real use of the language, and finally vocabulary. Personally, I feel like one of the worst parts is always vocabulary. It has rarely anything to understand and a lot to memorize, and the feeling that the list of words keeps growing and growing hardly ever fades. Because it's not just a feeling, it's a reality. But is there any rule or strategy that we can try to make this painful process a bit easier? Well, given that European languages always have some things in common, even though the origin of English and Spanish is hardly the same, we can try and find the strategies that we can use to learn vocabulary much faster. Now, here's a disclaimer that I'm obliged to show you. I'm legally obliged by the sponsors of this video to show this disclaimer. Seriously, my agent is about to bring me the contract papers any minute now. Jake, where are you? Jake? Well, two things are clear now. No sponsors today and I need a new agent. Back to the video. Is there something I'm missing in the text? Let me give you a hand. So, suffixes. Well, most of the European languages have them one way or another, and English and Spanish are not an exception. That is why words ending in tion are pretty similar. Most of the time you just have to add the accent to the last O and put the stress on the pronunciation on the last syllable. With the tion termination, we change the T for a C and add an accent. Here you have some examples of those ending in tor, with the general rule explained below. And lastly, but also important, we have the ty suffix and how it changes to dat. As you will be able to see, some of the words do have some other changes, but they are minimal and I'm sure it won't be much of a problem to memorize. Here are some more examples of this last combination. There are many more suffixes and prefixes combinations that correlate between English and Spanish that I'm sure we'll go over in the next videos. If you found this video interesting or useful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can find me on Facebook in case you want to contact me for one-on-one lessons or just want to have a chat. Hope you have a wonderful week and take care of yourself. Bye!